Get into the 2017 Ford F-150. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, 4x4, electronic stability control, power driver seat, heated front seat, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.